Today, I'm transforming forgotten things into something beautiful. Let's see what treasures time has left behind. The bicycle may be old, but its wheel still has a purpose. Every restoration begins with careful cleaning. This wheel will become the heart of today's project. Now it's ready for its new life. I need strong reclaimed wood for this project. It's heavy, but perfect. These belong to my grandfather. Nothing useful should ever be wasted. Every little piece serves a purpose in our work. Now the real transformation begins. A clean surface creates a perfect finish. Let's clean every piece before painting. Now it's ready for a new color. Old furniture deserves a second life. Even simple things can become beautiful. This wheel has seen many miles on our village roads. But taking care of it is simple enough. A little bit of maintenance goes a long way. Consistency makes every project beautiful. This basket will soon light up the room. Accuracy is important. Precision creates perfection. These wooden rounds will become beautiful decorations. Every slice has its own story. Tomorrow, we'll turn these pieces into something truly special. A rainy morning is perfect for creating something beautiful. Smooth wood creates beautiful artwork. Every detail matters. Every flower begins with a simple sketch. Nature inspires every pattern. Every piece tells its own story. Color brings life to wood. Every piece tells its own story. Now they just need to dry. Precision makes everything stronger. Simple details create lasting beauty. Now it's time to build the table. Perfect alignment. Perfect alignment makes a perfect table. Now it's time to decorate my favorite, the corner of the room. Exactly how I imagined it.